Terry, have you ever been on YouTube?
Hey, how are you?
How are you? You're about to get sent to a bunch of your friends.
Okay. Okay.
How you been?
Good. Brian is good.
Be on YouTube too.
Isn't she a beauty for what? For 60-some years old?
For 45 years old. Come on out there.
I was packing up my shit, but I figured you'd show up sooner or later.
Yeah, I need to get more video to fill up your computer.
You're on YouTube now. This is little Carolyn Flores from Polytechnic High School.
Look at this beautiful car.
Okay, now introduce this man here.
This is Joe Adolph, retired LAPD officer.
He's been arresting people at the other end of the street.
Right.
And back then, that was a whole new thing, and they would pay him to come to drag strips. Yes, well, they would. The Little Red Wagon.
Yes. Hello, Mike Gressley. Yes. Say hello to all your high school cronies.
Hi, high school cronies. How are you? It's good to see you. Even though I can't see you, but you can see me, which is probably not the biggest deal in the world.
Okay, that's enough. Shut up.
Okay, bye.
It looks like Larry Price and Jeffrey Laird.
Hey, what's going on?
I'm collecting videos of everybody that went to Poly because there seems to be a whole bunch of us old people there.
There is?
Yeah.
Have you got your video yet? We should take one of you.
No, I don't let my picture be taken. Anyway, you both look really good. You want to say anything to the Poly High people that this goes out to?
Well, yeah, hi to everybody that it goes out to. Poly friends.
Anyway, all you Poly High School people, this is Cheryl Gressley, the former Cheryl Sand.
You're not putting this on there.
You want to bet?
What's going on?
It's going on YouTube. Go ahead, tell us everything that you know. Yeah.
There's not a whole lot. I would have been animated then. Yes, not a whole lot that I know. But this is my son-in-law's car show.
And
his first annual car show.
Right.
Bodie Stroud. And if you need a hot rod made, call Bodie.
Okay, wonderful.
Chase.
I'm taking pictures of anybody affiliated with...
How are you?
Say hello to all the Poly people, even though you went to Verdugo. This is Karen Gressley.
Yeah.
And her husband's probably around here somewhere or under a truck. Oh, get Tom, getting a beer. Wonderful. You look marvelous today.
Thank you so much. I'd like you to meet William Shatner. Or, oh, it's Tom Gressley. Sorry about that.
So, Tom, say a few words to your Poly High School friends.
What do you say, you old deadbeat?
Tom, come on, the truth hurts.
Oh, this is Johnny Depp. This is Johnny Depp? She's filming for Johnny Depp right now. Johnny Depp might have been here, but he's shying away from crowds.
I worked with him on one movie.
But this is just a work in progress.
I believe it's Johnny Depp.
You're right.
And that part
Oh, well, Karen and Tom, fancy seeing you again.
Oh, yeah. For the mid-engine, what is the mid-engine? Over.
Oh, that's all right. This is of YouTube quality, and that's it.
This is all adapted.
Cost me nothing to do it,
Mid-engine.
and I get to annoy my friends by sending them ungodly sums of video. One guy told me from the last video that he removed his own appendix because the boats were so loud. This thing is beautiful.
And then also speed or something like that.
Oh, yeah.
Hot Rod TV.
Yeah, Hot Rod TV,
Yeah.
And that one and that one here too, right?
And this is Brian too.
Yeah, I saw Brian's already. Yeah,
Whoa, too. I mean,
his real book, he said he always had it. He said he's going to turn around and sell it.
I mean, I don't know what that one was about, but I know that was quite correct.
Yeah. Yeah, Brian said this thing more horsepower than
Is this more than that?
Yeah.
For sure?
Yeah, that's what Brian said. Brian said there's more horsepower.
That surprised me with that.
Yeah.
This gets me. I mean, bad as dude. On the block. How old are you? 13. Better wrestle you.
Terry,
Yeah, close. Give him a couple of years. Keep on the tradition of the name. Build up that name.
are you going to teach him how to fight, Terry?
You know, well, I only had to have a few good fights, and then after that.
The white section you'll find a medium, they're 15. Everything, all the caps and t-shirts are 15, and if you buy two, your third item is 12. All yeah,
Somebody was telling me, I didn't hear it, but someone was like, hey, this is Chris on Brian, Mark and Brian? Kevin and B. Yeah. K-Rock. Oh, I hung out with them the whole day. Yeah. It's totally different. It's like, it's not the same. I like the one. You know what I think this That's the best.